Assalamu alaikum. Hello everybody. How are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. Actually, now I'm walking on this unpaved road. Actually, this road made by properly soil, and actually uh, now I can hear that some birds they are chirping on sitting trees. Actually, and behind me have a maize field. There are many maize fields on both sides of the road and birds are flying and now I am practicing my English with this way. Actually actually uh, every day every day I learn lots of vocabulary, but I can't practice properly with this vocabulary because I don't have time for using this vocabulary, and I don't get enough place, enough things for using this vocabulary. So I try to practice my English with this way, and I think if I don't practice this vocabulary with things, and I won't be able to speak in English properly, and I won't be able to use this vocabulary in this is correct time. Okay, so that's the reason now I'm practicing my English, and sometimes I feel uh, so shame so shame because some people when they are comes to me, and in that time I feel shame and I can't practice properly because okay. And now I'm from village actually, and villagers don't get this type of things positively actually. So when I get free time and when I working alone in this time, I try to practice my English with my mobile phone, and and also Chat GPT, and also Google Translate. Actually, yesterday I have yesterday I have I have learned lots of vocabularies, like vegetable vocabularies as like cucumber, pumpkin, green pumpkin, actually asparagus. Okay, lots of vocabularies I learn. I had learned actually. So actually when I get free time, in this time I try to practice. Actually now I have a time actually, but I have a job actually. In Actually I have to go to my madrasa in 8 a.m. actually, and my madrasa in 2 p.m. So nowadays I don't have enough time to practice my English, so that's the reason now I'm practicing English with this way. Okay, so actually my phone is around 250 kilograms, so oh, I can't bear this with my hand because I don't have any handle to put my uh, mobile phone and making my video. You can see now. Okay, so keep practicing, keep enjoying, have a good day.